Is Elon Musk about to lead Tesla into an automotive revolution with a next-generation, low-cost electric vehicle? The recent confirmation from Musk about the company's ambitious plans has sent shockwaves through the automotive industry. Let's delve into the details and implications of Tesla's bold moves. Elon Musk, the enigmatic entrepreneur and CEO of Tesla, recently made a bold announcement that has left automotive enthusiasts and industry experts buzzing with anticipation. During an earnings call, Musk confirmed the development of a next-generation, low-cost Tesla electric vehicle, expressing optimism about its arrival in the second half of 2025. This revelation comes as part of Tesla's broader strategy to introduce two new electric vehicle models, with a combined potential of selling up to 5 million units per year. According to reports, the upcoming vehicle is said to be a small crossover with the internal codename Redwood. Tesla has reportedly reached out to suppliers, projecting a weekly production volume of 10,000 units. The company aims to commence production in the second half of 2025 at its Austin, Texas Gigafactory, with plans to expand to other global locations in the future. Musk hinted at an ambitious production schedule, stating, "We'll be sleeping on the line practically." What makes this revelation even more intriguing is Musk's promise of a revolutionary manufacturing system that he claims will outpace any existing technology by a significant margin. The Tesla CEO emphasized the difficulty of replicating this system, suggesting that it involves copying the machine that makes the machine, a concept he referred to as manufacturing inception. This hints at an advanced and proprietary manufacturing process that could potentially redefine the industry's standards. Tesla's current production achievements are nothing short of remarkable. The company reported a record production and delivery of over 1.8 million vehicles, aligning with official guidance. In the fourth quarter, Tesla reached an annualized run rate of almost 2 million cars, making it the highest output car factory in North America, a surprising fact given its location in the San Francisco Bay Area. Musk's claim that the new manufacturing technique will be very hard to copy raises questions about the level of innovation involved. As production begins, it remains to be seen how quickly Tesla can ramp up assembly and whether the touted manufacturing revolution will indeed set new benchmarks for the industry. However, Musk did caution shareholders about a potential slowdown in sales growth for 2024, attributing it to the diminishing wave of Model 3 and Model Y sales. Despite this, he anticipates a second sales wave driven by the introduction of next-generation vehicles in 2025. It's a strategic move that showcases Tesla's forward-thinking approach and its commitment to staying ahead in an ever-evolving market. Beyond vehicle production, Musk also touched upon Tesla's full self-driving (FSD) progress. Notably, he suggested that other car companies should be seeking FSD licenses, teasing that the reasons for this will become apparent in the coming year. However, it's worth noting that Tesla's FSD capability is currently at Level 2, while rivals such as Mercedes-Benz have achieved Level 3 approval in the US. Musk's optimistic projections for FSD progress have been met with skepticism in the past, and the industry remains watchful of actual advancements. Musk's admission that his production forecasts should be taken with a grain of salt is a reminder of his penchant for optimism, particularly regarding timelines. While he accurately predicted the arrival of the Model 3 in 2017, there were discrepancies in the projected price, with the actual debut pricing being higher than initially stated. This history raises the question of whether the next-generation model will arrive on time and if its cost will align with Musk's projections. In conclusion, Tesla's announcement of a next-generation, low-cost electric vehicle, coupled with the promise of a revolutionary manufacturing system, has sparked considerable excitement and speculation. The ambitious plans align with Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, but only time will reveal the true impact of these developments. As the automotive industry braces for potential disruption, all eyes will be on Tesla's journey into the next generation.